Hi, everybody, and welcome back. Today, we are going to be working through the GLEE library installation process. So getting right into it, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have Arduino installed on your computer and open it up. Next, you're going to want to navigate to Tools and Manage Libraries. Once you click on Manage Libraries, you should see a small window pop up where you can select or search GLEE 2023. Install it, and make sure to click Install All for dependencies. Once you've done this, you can make sure the installation was complete by navigating to Files, then Examples, then GLEE 2023. Moving on, the next thing you're going to want to do is turn on Arduino line numbers. To do this, navigate to File, then Preferences, then click Display Line Numbers. You can confirm that this was successful by looking at the left side of the Arduino window and making sure there are numbers for every line.